finding hope in numbers. Within the first 6 months of a hospital-based violence intervention program, dozens of people have already enrolled.
That's right. It's a part of an ongoing partnership between the city, UC Medical Center, and Children's Hospital. It's called Hope and Shield Network. WLWT News 5's Danielle Dindak takes a look at their efforts. Hi, Danielle.
Hi there, Ashley. The group presented part of its findings to part of Cincinnati City Council earlier this morning. Even though we're only a few months into this new program, the numbers look promising.
It is going to take, a multidisciplinary effort, and we just hope that our hospital systems are able to provide the link to some of those efforts that are going on across the city.
The city of Cincinnati, Children's Hospital, and UC Medical Center teamed up for one common goal that's aimed at reducing gun violence. The program's called the Hope and Shield Network.
Unfortunately, both at Children's and UC, we see anywhere from 450 to upwards of 500 victims of gun violence a year. We really are targeting youth and young victims of gun violence, and so that is around 400 or a little bit less.
When a person from birth to 44 shows up to UCMC or Children's with a gunshot wound, they are paired with a violence prevention professional, screened and connected with resources such as mental health help, housing, employment, and access to food.
Our goal is to screen about 80 to 90% of those patients with a goal enrollment of about 50%. So our targeted number has been around 150 to 200 participants a year. And already after our launch, we've enrolled 50 patients, which is, amazing.
In fact, of those 50 that have enrolled in the last 6 months, none have fallen victim to gun violence since.
That's a success story. Now, I don't want to jump up and down yet. We are only talking to 6 to 9 months, but in that time period, our mindsets have been changed. And I think when you change people's mindsets and give them a different look on what their life looks like, I think that makes all the difference in the world.
We've had a patient that's gone back to school to get their GED. We've had multiple patients that have enrolled in employment education programs and have secured employment.
Now, she did go on to say the hope is to get more people enrolled in this program. Once again, this is just one of the gun violence initiatives that are ongoing in the city. Reporting live tonight, Danielle Dindak, WLWT News 5.